Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace BMW i3 key battery, only ways. Start by removing the emergency key and locating the release slot. Use a small flat tool to gently pry the fob open. Remove the old CR2032 battery and dispose of it properly. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity, snap the case closed, and test the remote to confirm the replacement worked. Warm up your workspace and lay out everything within reach so you stay relaxed and steady. Remove the emergency key first to access the hidden slot and avoid forcing anything. Gently pry at the designated seam with the small flathead tool until the case separates. Handle the internal components lightly and note battery orientation before removal so reassembly is quick and correct. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes life easier and frees up time for car care. Check the description for the link and other deals to save while you shop. And now let's get back to the video. Proceed calmly through each step and keep the workspace organized to avoid losing tiny parts. After opening the fob, use a fingertip or non-metal tool to lift the old battery straight out. Place the new CR2032 in the same orientation, press gently into the holder, and close the case until you hear a click. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions to ensure everything responds as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.